Today I'm going to be unboxing my Panigale V4.
Today is the day.
You have been Mr. Popular today.
Have I?
We had 3 people stop in and says, "Is Matt Wood's bike here?"
That's so cute.
Word gets around, dude.
And we're like, it's still in a crate.
Really? No, they can see it as long as they're not like putting
Well,
their...
we put all the cardboard and everything back on, so we would have to take all that back off again.
Oh, yeah.
And we're like,
no.
Yeah. Like,
I'm just talking like once we get it unboxed. No, people, if they come in,
no. Once it's unboxed,
show it off, huh?
No, I'm not gonna let them sit on it or nothing, but like, here it is.
Here it is, dude. It's a true unboxing. So I guess we're going to throw a time lapse over this unboxing process, but this is basically, if you order a Panigale V4, this is the box that it comes in. It's not like as special as the wooden boxes, as like the special editions.
Just a replica, but it's still unboxing a brand new motorcycle.
Right.
Needs a little bit more protection, which is understandable. This is like the regular, this is the poverty spec V4. I can make a house out of this after you,
I need this cardboard, I gotta build it, look at flooded.
after you spend this much on a bike, you have to, this is what you have to live in. The process went about getting this giant piece off the bike. I did a full ASMR video on this bike. I'm posting it on TikTok and Instagram, so if you guys want to go check that out. Yeah, it's just some like general unboxing stuff that went on, but here's the bike, fully unboxed. This is a 2024 Panigale V4 with basically nothing done to it yet. It's got 0 gas in the tank. I don't know if it comes with oil. I don't think it does.
No, you said you gotta. It comes dry,
Yeah.
real dry.
They're dealing with a customer right now, so I'm gonna see if we can try to get a startup of it today, but if not, then hey, this was a fun experience. Yeah. Yes, clap. Clap.
Yes.
So here's the key to the Panigale V4. It's nothing really special. It just goes in like that. It's a motorcycle.
I see fingerprints right here.
Oh yeah, there's like a bunch of little like, no, it's just covered in scratches.
Go
from
ahead,
the
sell
factory,
it.
dude. Yeah.
Tell them take it back.
Actually, I want an H2 instead. Never mind.
Fuck this, dude.
Guys, I've changed my mind.
You know what, guys? Put it back. You gotta put it back in the box.
I'm over it.
I'm kind of bored, honestly. I don't really want it. I'm just the month and year that it was made. I know it was made. Is it right here? October. It was made in October of this year.
Of this year? Whoa, that means it was just made. They just made it.
Just rolled off the line, guys.
This wasn't supposed to come till April, so I'm surprised. But
Yeah, about to say how many months?
you ordered it in April, or?
I ordered this 2 weeks ago.
Oh,
It
shit.
came this quickly. Yeah, I don't think I'm allowed to sit on it. Like, whoa, it's a V4.
Oh, she's checking it out in there.
Oh, she's checking me out.
Bro, she's checking you out, bro.
It's so tall, dude. I'm 6'1", by the way. This thing feels.
I can't fluff with this bike at all. I
can
could
try.
straddle it easily.
Smashing my nuts right now, but yeah, I
Yeah.
can try. So, I'm over it.
Take it back. Tell him put it back in the box.
Get out of here. What if I'm like moving my foot, just destroyed it?
I can already see it now. When you're going over this on YouTube, people are going to be asking why I'm not wearing gloves while I'm doing this.
Why is he touching his bike?
When Frank released his video, there's a comment in there that I just fucking started laughing about. Because I'm like, why is he not wearing white gloves? This feels like a white glove service. I'm like, because I just washed my hands?
Oh, I think, dude, if anything, your fingerprints add value. Kyle, the master mechanic. Kyle, the master.
There was one where I took this tool, and I was standing on this side of the bike, and I passed it from that side of the bike to this, to Kylie. Didn't toss it, handed it to her.
They're like, oh
And
my God.
people were like, never pass tools over the motorcycle. That's how things get damaged. Ooh, what the
Cares. This bike's gonna get ridden. I imagine it's gonna be covered in scratches and rock chips anyway.
It's like, do you know where we live? We live in Cleveland, Ohio, man. Okay, it's in California. There's shit.
Like this thing, you could lay this thing down on the right-hand side and slide it across the ground. It's still gonna look better than half the bikes in Cleveland.
Okay, maybe let's not. And again, we're getting into depressing topics again.
Let's not talk about that.
Obviously, we're not going to do that. I'm saying hypothetically, you could. I said unless your customer is racing the bike where every single ounce counts.
Right.
So the battery needs to be charged in the bike for a little bit before we can actually like start it up and do anything, which takes about a day of work. Unfortunately, not gonna be able to start it today, but we'll be back in a little bit. For you guys, about 2 seconds. For me, a couple days. So we are back for day 2 on checking out on the V4. We're gonna see if it's ready today. Let's see what's up.
What's up, dude?
What's going on? Weird. Just talking about you.
I saw you guys pointing to it. I was like, oh, perfect timing. Did you guys start it up yet?
No, I'm
shit.
literally just getting ready to. I'm trying to get this computer to wake up.
Well, let's go then.
But it's still in transport mode.
Oof. Did I tell you I'm like ordering forged carbon for this stuff, like a tail, battery
forged
cover?
carbon?
Yeah. Glossy forged carbon throughout like the whole, not the whole thing, just like tail, battery cover. I know Fast Lane D has like a full forged carbon build on it. I don't want to go that far.
Yeah.
That's cool, but
Yeah, I saw his. He's got like the forged wings, and that's where I was like, yo, forged kind of looks good.
yeah. So I was just grabbing the water real quick. I guess they're doing the startup very soon here, so stay tuned for that. I haven't even checked insurance for this yet.
Probably don't want to know.
Gotta do it. Oh, no, God. It's I can really smell from here, dude. I'm getting brain damage by the second. Not yet, actually. So these come, it says heated grips right there, right? But the problem is it doesn't come with heated grips. It just shows that there, that you can get
in the corner and
It's,
cry.
it's ready to go.
Yeah.
So you buy the grips, we plug them in, we turn it onto the computer, and you're good.
They just assume that you will buy them because it's an expensive bike. And
I'll tell you this, they got me because it's one of the first things I'm doing in mine.
I'm right there with you. As soon as they come in and whatever I buy them, I guess. It sucks, dude. No, like I gotta wait until it's like nice out.
You ready?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
I'll send it.
Alright, that's fine. Oh shit. Okay, I see. I don't want to rev it up too much because. So that was the first startup of the Panigale V4, my Panigale V4, that I will be able to ride as soon as this garbage weather clears up. It is freezing and it's wet. So I'm gonna be going to San Diego soon, so that's kind of what's on the table of what's going on. The rest of this video is just gonna be me like riding around, having a good time, so I hope you guys enjoy that. But until then, until springtime, this bike will not see any action, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be doing my first rides and stuff with this bike, but it'll be dope. Stay tuned for that. I'll be around. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you.
No,
No, don't.
no, come on, no, man. No.
And then this dude just dips.
What a fucking bitch.
What a dickhead.
Sorry, who's this dude talking to me right now?
Yeah, who is this guy? Who's in the chat? Chat, who is this? Mods, ban him.
Get him
Nah,
out here.
dude.
What are they
I
selling?
don't race.
Did he say he wants to race?
I don't know. Wait 1 sec. I had a cruiser before this, but this is my first crotch rocket. Yeah. Yes, sir. For sure. Hell yeah, bro. Hey, yeah, sir, you too.
Can you just having a whole ass conversation up here without us?
How dare he?
This fucking guy, bro. You guys play video games growing up, right?
Yeah.
Now we have like a group, like a, what do you call it, comms, like, you know what I mean, like
Xbox Live chat?
yeah, that's literally what this is, just like in real life though.
It's the best
I
of both
know.
worlds.
It's kind of crazy though. Like I could connect to anyone, anywhere, not anywhere. But I was getting gas one day and I'm by myself. Next thing you know, 4 people are like talking in the chat. I'm like, yo, what's going on here, dude?
Who are you people?
That's exactly what was. I'm like, yo, what is happening? I'm like, yo, bruh. I started just talking. I was like, yeah.
Dude, because my fingers are connected, I can't do like the surfer wave, you know what I mean, with your pinky and your thumb.
Yeah.
I just have to give them thumbs up, and I'm just like this, and I feel like
like this.
I feel like a
Waiting
weirdo, bro.
on cashier for authorization, bro. What is
Ah.
this, dude?
Bitch.
What do you mean waiting for cashier?
Brokey.
He's running my bank account right now.
Look at that, didn't spill gas all over it.
Well, this one's a lot better at that.
I've never had that issue with the R1.
Well, because the R1, I'm always trying to squeeze as much gas as possible into it.
So do I.
Okay, maybe I just suck then. I don't know.
Sounds like a skill issue to me, bud.
Dude, this thing drains gas.
Buddy,
Yeah, buddy.
buddy.
I don't even want to hear it, buddy.
My brother in Christ. Do you see what this bitch has as an engine?
On the way here, I went through the metro parks. There was this old dude on a touring bike. He passed me on the other lane.
Right.
And he goes like this, like a universal sign to slow down.
Right.
Bless you. Oh my god. I was like, I couldn't tell if he was like, does that mean like, is there danger up ahead?
Right.
To me, it just looks like universal sign to slow down is like,
just this.
like you're going too fast.
Right.
Some old dude. I'm like,
It's always an old guy.
bet. And I speed up. Cop right there on the left.
Wait, pull you over or no?
No, I was going
Oh.
like 16 to 30.
You're like,